Alright, about to get a demo. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Demo time. Whose system is this one? Can I see the amps while it cools off for a minute? Wow, that was windy.
Thanks, man. Yeah, it's been them all day. My voltage is way down, but it's still doing alright.
Nice.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, bro. Hey, if you come by later and I have the call,
You can get in, man.
I'm gonna let my voltage charge up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it should be good for you.
Jared's got to do it. Oh, God. That thing was good.
I'm coming in if that's all right. I'm on video. So I'm curious, what makes you get people here when you're over there? Is it louder or what is it?
Yeah, it is a lot louder, a lot windier now. It used to be the other way. I've been building and working on this thing for a while.
Yeah.
The whole purpose is it's basically like an SPO spec box. It's built for 20 hertz though. A lot of port, quite a bit of power for the amount of port and everything. But my goals were with I was running Crossfire before, and I got really close to them. I was doing like a 59 and 20. And I was told by a lot of people that nobody will ever break a 60 or 20 with low code area like this. So I worked part-time with some guys at Sundown, and Dave talked me into trying out the NSV3 Rev 3s, the new ones. And we dropped them in. I switched everything up to Salt 8Ks, and did some more tweaking and stuff, got everything aligned. About a month after I got them broken in, I finally did some demo, like some testing. Busted 61.5 at 20, split the firewall, broke the A-pillar, and busted door hinge. All on one bird. It went from like really solid to like a wet fart. So yeah, wow. It is what it is.
You got a good bit of braces in there too, so you did a good job.
Than's, man.
Nice.
Yeah, the bottom is pretty braced up.
How deep does that port go down?
It's the same top and bottom, so 30-inch long ports.
Okay, so is it like a 1-to-1?
1.5 to 1.
Okay.
Well, displacement, yeah, it's probably closer to
like 1.4 or something. Yep.
Yeah, since I started adding all that bracing and stuff.
Nice. Looks good. And you said you broke 61s.
61 to 20. Yeah.
Congrats.
Thanks, man.
That's good. I'm sure you've been working hard on it for a while.
Yeah, I've been working on it for about a year, trying to get it to where it's at.
So your goal was to tune low and be brutal on the low frequencies.
Yeah. And it surprisingly does decent up around 40 hertz. Okay. It's actually it's louder with both windows down. Well, I mean, everything since the cabin got busted all to pieces. I mean, there's steel in here and in the floor.
Yes, sir.
Wood and everything. So it's strong, but still it could be better. And then with all this stuff broken, I mean, I don't know what it's capable of now. Yeah. Because I didn't start playing the higher frequency stuff until later. Actually, when I first put everything in here, I went through 4 windshields in a month. Last one I broke was at 24 hertz.
Man.
So I've been kind of giving the above 25 hertz stuff a break, giving it much.
Yes, sir.
So.
All right, yeah, I'd love to hear it for a minute if I can.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. Thank you for that.
We're starting to get up there a little bit now.
Do y'all need to rev it? Do we need to rev it for the demo?
It's held up a little bit with a little piece of cardboard.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Let's see.
All right, and you're on Team Hertz Feelings.
Yes, sir.
And your name is?
John. Little.
Okay. All right. All right, about to get a demo. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Demo time.
You hate me.
You did great, dude. Congrats.
Thanks, bro.
That's a good reaction. I'm telling you, the people you're getting here to hear this,
Yeah.
it's not like somebody's doing it in 40, 50 hertz range. You're doing this in the 20 hertz ranges.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
And it flips people out because they're used to like the the 20 hertz builds having like 15, stuff like
Yes,
that.
and you're a low code area to do the same thing. Good job. Thank you very much for the demo. That was awesome, man.
Sure, man.
Thank you very much. That was brutal. Whew. Nice, solid doors. You've done a lot of work. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, man.
Just spend 100 grand. It must be good, it must be great and fun.
Woo. 17 hertz?
Yeah.
That's some throw.
Thanks,
And
man.
it's only in those fours. Good job. Hey, it's all about tuning, man.
Yeah, it
Tweaks,
is.
tune, fine tune your port area on your dials. You dial it
The
in.
way I did it, I got as much because the fan's only so big.
Yeah.
And from the bottom of my rear ports to where
All right, everybody, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. About to get a demo of this thing. I'll see y'all in a minute. This is Sundown 2021 show.
Still rock a roll. And I'm praying for my heart. Telling everybody no. I hate big girl star snow. Like you, I'm making me. Just spend 100 grand. I still rock a roll. And I'm praying for my you
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.